Hello, welcome back to Enviro Chemicals. We're doing another test on our Oxygone hydrogen peroxide base stain cleaner. We've already done wine and tea. We're going to try our coffee. We put the stain on there about a week ago so it can set, and now we're going to show you how it works on coffee stain.
Same thing again, we're going to need an Oxygone, just a bucket of
Oxygone.
water, just a fresh towel to remove all the excess off, a Vicodin brush we're using currently, and a dry microfiber cloth. Okay, so we have our coffee stain here.
Yep.
As you can see, it is quite a heavy coffee stain.
Yeah, we put plenty on there so it's gone right through the carpet.
I'm going to start spraying our product. As you can see, as he's spraying it, you can already see the stain just disappearing.
Yeah. Okay. This active product, just as soon as it hits.
Got our brush. I'm going to start agitating it to make sure we penetrate through all the way to the bottom of the carpet. So this product does foam a lot as you're scrubbing with it. So just make sure you have a bucket of water to remove all the foam off. Alright, I've just finished the agitation. I'm just going to get a fresh wet towel just to remove all the excess foam and everything.
Beautiful.
Okay, and then now I'm going to get our dry microfiber cloth just to dry the actual surface. And that's the coffee stain completely gone.
There's no trace of the stain at all. It looks beautiful. Alright, so the product is Oxygone, manufactured by Enviro Chemicals. Basically, it works. We've tried it on 3 different products and it works brilliantly on all of them. And they've been sitting.
Black stains, many other stains. This product will work.
Okay. Thank you for watching Enviro Chemicals. Our website is envirochemicals.com.au, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.